In today's video, I'm going to talk about if it's good or bad to use deep conditioner on your hair. Welcome to Simple Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. You would have seen how many mini braids and challenges I've done on my channel. Check out my playlist section. I've got about 5 or 6 challenges, some running up to 21 weeks. And in that time, you would have seen me put conditioner on my hair. But is it in fact good or bad to deep condition your hair in long-term protective style? I'm going to talk about some of the pros and some of the cons. Let's get into today's video. Condition usually refers to the act of putting on a thicker, stronger conditioner on your hair for a longer period of time. You can, of course, buy it straight off the shelf, or you can actually make your own deep conditioner. So, is it good or is it bad to use on your natural hair? Without protective style, without mini braids? Of course, it is a fantastic way to get that extra moisture in. As you know, 4B, 4C hair, that is one of our big problems. Where it kinks and where it coils, we lose hair there, it breaks off. And so deep conditioning, especially those that enrich with protein, is good for hair types like mine, where it's high porosity, where it needs, those gaps need to be filled in. And so deep conditioning my loose hair is really good for it. And so I always do that. I always try to leave my conditioner on. If I don't buy a special leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, I tend to just use my normal conditioner period of time, and that really helps loose hair. So a deep condition probably every 2 weeks or so, and that will help in your normal hair care regimen. But when it comes into protective styling, particularly mini braids, is it a good idea? So some of the pros is it will give you extra moisture. As you know, when you're in long-term protective style, it can be hard to keep on top of your moisture routine. So by doing deep conditioning, you're able to give your hair that extra bit of conditioning that it needs to get through that longer term protective style. If it's in the summer, for example, where the weather is harsh, it's really beneficial because you get that added moisture, and it's all about the moisture in our hair, the balance of moisture and protein to help our hair to stay on our heads. So it's good in that way. And for seasonal dryness as well, it's very good for that. If you're using a natural deep conditioner, that would also give additional benefits to your scalp. So it's good overall. But here's some of the cons of that. It will get trapped in your mini braids. You will have a lot of buildup from that conditioner, and if you're using a really thick conditioner, that's going to get trapped in your hair, and you're going to have a lot of buildup. When it comes to takedown, you're going to see where your new growth is coming, that there's a lot of the product still left on your hair, even if you've rinsed it 5 or 6 times. It's just the way your hair is plaited and where the product lands, and it's very hard to get that out of your natural hair. And so be very careful when you are doing that, and be careful that you don't lose your hair, especially if you are transitioning. That can be a cause of breakage for that. The next thing that you might experience is dryness. It's supposed to be really conditioning your hair, but if your hair is coated in so much deep conditioner, your other products cannot get to your hair, and actually instead of conditioning your hair, it will dry it out because there's so much build-up of that product along the strands of your hair that you will not see the progress that you would have seen if you just use a normal conditioner. And so I tend not to deep condition my hair too much when it is in mini braids. So mainly those 2 cons that I see. Overall, you must deep condition your hair, especially if it's loose. Make sure that you are putting on enough condition on your hair and looking after it, and try to make your deep conditioner from scratch if you can, and that will also help. Again, you can use deep conditioner on your mini braids. It prevents split ends, which is key for growing out a natural hair, and it also helps to strengthen our hair because we have that balance of moisture and protein in our natural hair that we need to have our 4B, 4C hair growing because of the kinks and bumps along there. But also just watch out for the buildup as you use it. So one of my favorite recipes for deep conditioner is yogurt, natural yogurt that you use, that you eat. You can use that as a deep conditioner on your braids. You could also use honey. You could mix those two things together. Honey, of course, is an humectant and will draw in the moisture from the air onto your hair. So mixing those two together, using them separately, is a great deep conditioner. I also use Queen Helen's hair cholesterol as a deep conditioner, and that gives me good results. So there you have some pros and cons of using deep conditioner on your mini braids to grow your natural hair long. If you are looking for a way to grow your natural hair long, check out my playlist section where I have tons and tons of playlists. I have my mini braid playlist. I have about 5 challenges on there. I've also got about 2 mini twist challenges as well, and a cornrow hair growth challenge, all helping you in 2024 to grow your natural hair long. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and also give me any reasons that I may have missed, pros or cons of using deep conditioner on your mini braids. Also suggest some deep conditioning recipes down below to help the ladies in this community as well. I do hope that you are enjoying the content. If you have any content ideas, also pop them down below. I'm grateful to help to answer those by creating videos to answer your queries. Once again, today's video is deep conditioner good for your mini braids? Yes, I think it is. I always think that deep conditioner is great for our hair type, and so I'll keep doing that, bearing in mind the corners, build up, etc. that I've covered in this video. So bear that in mind. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care and God bless you.